Nyankopon na osi Nana Addo hene ewo womu anim. Ema Nyankopon ema womu hu se Nyankopon ewo tumi. Na ekwan a omode Nana Addo afaso no. Na saade na binom pese omode ye doctor. But said ye onyame a ogu womu animu ase ewo Nana Addo anim no. Sa Nyankopon na no obegu womu animu ase. Minim se sa nyame no obesi doctor hene. Papa wabeye chief of staff for pen ewo omampani kofo apreso. Enti yanka ne se papa yi woye one of successful chief of staff wa enka yenya no wo Ghana. Enso papa yi efiri se papa yi wo fili abamu. Wonte papa yi nka. Wobeti papa yi nka na kire se asemu asi MPP mu a even asem no kura nya ma ekura na wo mu ahihye akire afrefre media fo said ebe ya omu beye wo mu interview no mu be kansem bone ede agu Nana Addo ehu fi. But se Onyankopon so wo hira wa na wo hira mo enema mu ye mesi na ye wo boy bi wo kurom ha na me de achenti ana me wura finidi na boy yi si odi alayeji na se boy yi gina radio so na se wo di Nana Addo atemu a mesi wontimi kura fo anu ntie wontimi fa waso entie radio no enso ewi ase no boy no ye gigi sika wo kurom anu mu di twa tikiti ma na de ko Ghana okọ Ghana kura no me say enkrofo na ye contribution gigi sika e ma anu a omudi twa tikiti ma na koy se abantie ni gina radio so se na o di Nana Addo atemu a won chese utie kura na wa kura no ahomete enso di omu ye nyina dra Nana Addo awrade e ma ne be ye president na nakoma pentina na eye me ya se enipa bi ti second apase na ensese Nana Addo kura ba ya abamu no kura no na ensese nka o ma no sa position na o de ma no because o ma ye ubi pen but the esi atwam de ye mfantwam kakra make say sankrofo we ani o ma aggressive ni ade o mu ye enye ne but the o mu be ye biara doctor awrade besi ne hene. Enti yes delegate say yes ramo enkrofo we de o mu bone no ma dwen bone mu nu hwe o mu ye say so party no so ba power no mo asan ni abre ebe position no money abre sabe position. Enti the same thing ebi na Kennedy afano but enkosi hwe muma yenja wo mu ni anyire ye ho ni anya adwumaden yenton doctor enisu ade hunu yenka ne nsempa because omu ye pesemi nkuminya. Enti the doctor e ka se wo ba na wa ma wo bia wo di ayi position na kọ efom ama minya ahwe ne so
trip on it, so it's okay to happen in Ablikuma North. Mr. Speaker, it happened in Ayawaso, so it is okay to happen in Ablikuma North. Let us all look into our faces. Today, by the grace of technology, everybody is watching us. Are we as leaders of this country saying that we are ready to practice retributive politics? Is that what we are saying? Are we saying to other children, the many children who are watching us? Are we saying to the many children who are watching us that when we promised the people of this country reset, we were going to pursue retributive politics? This is not what you promised. Is this what you promised? Perhaps the people of this country should have been guided. They should have been guided by the fact that you have stated that for you, revolution is in your blood. And so you are going to offer revolution. It is in your DNA. That is what you are going to offer. Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker. I have a few questions. Mr. Speaker. When the police went to Ablekuma North without arms, what informed it? Mr. Speaker, when we all agreed to pass the Vigilantism Act, was it a decoy? Was it a decoy to surprise us in the year 2024 elections and subsequent elections? Was it a decoy? Mr. Speaker, that is what it seems now. That when you got us to pass the Vigilantism Act, it was just to surprise us. That is what it seems. You did not approach it with candor, with the same amount of sincerity, with the same degree of sincerity with which we approach the passage of the Vigilantism Act. Mr. Speaker, we need to bring this to an end. We cannot continue along this path. Mr. Speaker, one day might be a bad day. This thing has been going on for so long. Mr. Speaker, I was in Ablekuma North. I have lived through this in Kumasi when we were always terrorized, were intimidated with macho men from the days of Nana Addo, who mobilized macho men to snatch ballot boxes using military, using the 64 battalion, infantry battalions, the commandos. We remember all those. We have not forgotten. Mr. Speaker, where are we going to? The CDRs. We have come a very long way. Mr. Speaker, we should agree to end this. Mr. Speaker, the approach requested by the minority leader, Mr. Speaker, is the way to go. Mr. Speaker, having passed the Vigilantism Act, if we don't do anything in the face of it, that law will fall into dissolitude. That law will become useless. Mr. Speaker, this is coming right at the back of the Vigilantism Act. We should, in the circumstance, Mr. Speaker, have an inquiry to determine why this happened and to punish the perpetrators, so that, Mr. Speaker, it serves as a proper deterrent. Otherwise, going forward, Mr. Speaker, we are going to have a problem. Mr. Speaker, today we are being told that what happened in Ablekuma North is child's play. And it is coming from the majority leader. That what happened in Ablekuma North is child's play.